Hey guys, there's another video I'm posting here. Gaming, I absolutely freaking love it. Okay, today we're playing Hard Rain. It's a Left 4 Dead map. I love this one. Mainly because I might only just do the first one. I'll only just here's the right plan. I'm only doing the first bit of the map, and then I'll do a different bit of the first bit of a different map. That's the plan here. I need to brush up on my skills at this game. Plus, I just want to see what secrets I've missed. I haven't missed any secrets in the first one, so see if I can find any secrets in this one. By that I mean like the hotel one. Hard rain, come hell and high water. Let's frickin' do this.
Now throw the anchor just offshore, waiting for you. Signal at me when you get the gas.
This should be easy.
My bitch, let's do
You want to
this.
hear a prediction? Nope. No. There's not going to be any gas. Watch. Grabbing a Molotov. This. Hope you don't mind. I'm gonna take this first aid kit here. I know one thing. I'm grabbing two.
Magnum, hell yeah.
Heads up.
Reloading.
Reloading. Charger.
That was easy. Nick the Dick finally got a kill.
I'm reloading.
Come at me, bruh.
Reloading.
Okay, there's a jockey.
Reloading. Reload.
I'm reloading.
Hey, we might need this. Look out now. I'm gonna reload.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Through that playground.
Hey, I'm reloading.
There was.
Reloading. Shit, it's raining.
Oh, hell no.
Reloading.
That long shot, though. Ho! Oh, something moving. Bullseye.
Reloading.
Where'd the bitch at? Oh, hell no. Fuck that, I'm going in here.
still.
Reloading.
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 Okay, the door just evaporated. Bloody jockeys. Blew a hole in the center of him. Whoa, the lag is real. Okay, I'm gonna have to exit. Okay, breakdown. Okay, I'll continue this another point. See yous. So, okay, I guess that's the end of the video. Sorry it's not very long, but my computer's shit. The audio's just playing back again. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, for crying out loud. Oh man, I hate Pokemon Go